Okay, here is a tutorial on adding and subtracting decimals. Before we begin, though, we want to make sure that we understand a very basic concept that makes students' lives a little more difficult when they work these problems, and that is, where is the decimal? The decimal for the 5, is it to the right or to the left? And the answer is the decimal is always to the right. So I could put 5.00 or 5.0000 or 5.0 or 5 point any amount of zeros I want at the end. The key is the decimal's to the right. If I have the number 12, the decimal is always to the right. It's not the left, it's not the middle. It's always to the right. So any one of these would fit. The key is the decimal is always to the right of the number if you don't see the decimal. So let's begin a problem. Let's have the problem 3.4 plus 4 plus 0.23 plus 12.1. The key is line the decimals up. You want the decimals in a straight line. So we'll start with 3.4. Then we're going to put the 4 underneath, lined up with the decimal. So it's going to be 4.0, not 0.4, 4.0. 0.23, line the decimals up. 12.1, line the decimals up. Now I can fill in some empty spaces with zeros, so it lines up a little bit better. So I'm going to put a 0 there, put a 0 there. Now I'm going to rewrite this so I really have zeros in empty places so that it looks a little better, nice and neat, lined up. So instead of 3.4, I'm going to put 3.40, 4.00, I just added a 0, 0.23, and 12.10. Notice, and I could put zeros all in this first column, but I'm not. But I put zeros everywhere else, so it's nice and lined up. And I'm going to show you where I put those zeros. Perfectly legal. Now I'm just going to add 3 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 3. 1 plus 2 plus 0 plus 4 is 7. 2 plus 0 plus 4 plus 3 is 9. And then bring the 1 down. And the key is you leave the decimal in the same spot where it